Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to understand the four big ideas of object-oriented programming, usually just called OOP. This picture explains everything using cars and bikes in a very simple way. Let's go through it together. First, look at the left side. We have a blueprint called Class Car. This blueprint says every car should have attributes like color and speed, and behaviors like drive and honk. From this one blueprint, we can create many real cars. These are called objects. Here we see two, a red car and a blue car. Both are made from the same car class, but they can have different colors. So classes are blueprints and objects are the actual things we create. Next, see the padlock on the right. That's encapsulation. It means we bundle the data like color and speed together with the methods like drive and honk inside the object, and we usually lock the data away. Outside code can't just change the color or speed directly. It has to go through the methods we allow. This keeps everything safe and organized. Now move down to inheritance. We have a more general class called vehicle. Then we say car is a kind of vehicle, and bike is also a kind of vehicle. So both car and bike inherit everything that vehicle already has, like steering or accelerate. They only add or change what's special about them. This saves us from writing the same code again and again. Next is the fun part, polymorphism. Look here. We can call the same method name drive on both. On a car, it says sports car is driving. On a bike, it says bike is driving. Same command, completely different behavior. That's polymorphism. Same method name, but different actual actions depending on the object. It makes code super flexible. You can write code that works with any vehicle without caring if it's a car, bike, or anything else. Last one is abstraction, shown with the laptop icon. When you drive, you just use steering and accelerate. You don't need to know about fuel injection, valves, timing, or gear ratios. Abstraction means hide all the complicated details and show only the essential things the user needs. It keeps things clean and simple. So, to sum it up, the four main principles of object-oriented programming are encapsulation, bundle data and methods together and protect the data. Inheritance, reuse code by creating is-a relationships like vehicle to car and bike. Polymorphism, same method name but different behavior. Abstraction, hide complexity, show only what's necessary. Master these four ideas and you'll understand almost everything people mean when they talk about object-oriented programming. That's the complete overview. Thanks for listening.